everything is sort of slant. It's a fascinating. You have shades. Shades in art now. Shades and light and color. Different shades of darkness. Like how water is illustrated through art is a fascinating phenomenon because water is a mixture of light and darkness. And how water emerges in art on a two-dimensional surface is when a certain, you see, with darkness and light, it has to be set, the frequency, the shades have to be set at a very specific opacity. So if the darkness is set at a very specific opacity, and the light is set at a very specific opacity, this is what illustrates water, how water, and technically water is always a color because there's always something that's reflected from the water. So now you know that to illustrate water, you have to get into shades. It's a mixture of light and dark. Light and dark. You would notice that if you put a very... Let me tell you something, this young fly. You're talented.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm gonna blow this up on my social media. I wanna blow this up on Instagram. I wanna... What?
Just don't tell Mr. Jimmy Falcon shit.